It took an hour and 50 minutes from Osaka Station to Ohara Station. It was a beautiful, scenic train ride, which is no wonder, since the meaning of Mimasaka is create beauty. Discover the home of the greatest samurai in Japan.
Hi, I'm Jen.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Varun.
Varun, I'm Trevor.
So what brought you to Mimasaka?
I started studying kendo back in England in the late 70s, and one of my main sword teachers comes from this area. The reason that I came to Mimasaka is because the history of this area is closely connected to samurai and samurai culture. So there is a famous samurai named Miyamoto Musashi. He's quite a historical character. There's been books written about him and movies made about him. And he was born in this area and he grew up near here. So in the old town area we have the Musashi Dojo, the Musashi Budokan, and people come from all over the world to train here, and it's used as a martial arts centre for Japanese universities and schools. We have competitions, etc. there. So because my teacher was from this village, he came to England to teach, and so I decided that in order to further my experience and my skill, I wanted to come here and train with him.
It is one of the only places where you can take part in an exhilarating samurai experience. I got to enjoy the fresh air away from city life while biking through climbing hills and past open fields. I connected with local wood craftsmen who helped me design my very own woodwork, just as they have for generations. Here, we have a place where you can enjoy nature as well as Japanese culture. Speaking of samurais, I was honored to don the robes of a samurai and wield a real katana under the guidance of a modern-day samurai sensei. It is a timeless place.
Time won't stop, so gonna get on the ride, twisting and turning through life. No matter how rough it gets, I'll get by. Home moves with me where I roam. It's in every dream I make my own. I'm never alone.
I wandered through green tea fields and packaged my own bag of freshly roasted tea with a local tea master.
Every day will bring me something new.
best strawberries I have ever tasted. Picked them at a local strawberry farm myself.
Oh, look at the baby.
That guy's fast. He's
Takes me down, and my future won't exist without living now. So I spread all my footprints around, yeah. I know that every day
I hit the track of the Okayama International Circuit and did a few laps, just as F1 racers did in the past. I was really surprised with how many things I could do in Mimasaka. Experience Mimasaka, a place of tradition and community values. Even if you visit for a short time, you'll make memories to last a lifetime.